Are you ready for this one? No, are you ready for this one? Wow. So as to move out, customer called me up, and I give her a quote over the phone for the, the cleaning part, and then we would do a walkthrough and see what, severity of pet treatment we're going to do, because she did say she had pet treatments. And as you can tell, it's everywhere. And throughout every room, pretty much. So we're doing a full-on pet treatment. We're doing the Green Rhino cocktail, guys. If you don't know about the Green Rhino cocktail, go ahead and Google it, or go ahead and search in YouTube. And I got plenty of videos. So yeah, we got to do a lot of vacuuming and stuff in here. I've actually been cleaned in this house. Other rooms aren't as bad, but there are some in here. Before, for the last people that moved out, and it was pretty tough back then too, but I don't think quite this. So I went ahead and boosted it. We went ahead with the Green Rhino cocktail. I also boosted it with some Dissolve All. So yeah, we're just gonna go all out on it, because I think they're gonna probably just change out the carpet anyway. But we're here, so we're gonna clean it. Stay tuned. All right, so I got my spotter bag here. I'm just gonna walk through and see if there's any specialty, like rust and stuff like that through here. Now we know the organic's all gonna be taken care of with my pre-spray, because I boosted it with the Green Rhino cocktail. So it's gonna take care of all the organic stuff, but artificial. See this lighter there, guys? You see the green? That means if it's lighter, it's bleached out. It's not going nowhere. So if you see a color stain and it's lighter, don't even try to attempt to remove it with your steamer. Artificial colors. Got some yellow here. Not sure what that is. Look at that beautiful turquoise. Yeah, this stuff right here will clean anything. It's definitely a cocktail, and I boosted it awesome, with the Dissolve All. So guys, I got a call this morning. A lot of people, I get calls all the time, and he's like, this might sound kind of odd, me calling you. I watch you on YouTube, and I just want to see if you have some kind of mentoring. And I directed it to my course, because that's about as thorough as you can get. If I was to get on the phone and mentor everybody that want to start out a business, I'd be divorced. I wouldn't have any time to do anything else. So that's why I made the course. Everything's there. And then as far as ongoing support, it's always there. But he did tell me how he relates to my story, and he just really appreciates me, and that's great to hear. That really makes me continue filming, right? Because when I'm hearing stuff like that, and I mean sincerely thanking me for my content, that's why I keep doing what I'm doing. All right, so of course I can't teach you everything in these videos, but the process, these ride-alongs and stuff, we're learning the actual cleaning, and what you're going to run into on a daily basis is what this channel is all about. As far as building your business and knowing to find, tuning your business and stuff that's really going to make you succeed or not in this business, because it's more than just cleaning, guys. Yes, you got to clean good, but anyway, I just want to say shout out to him. His name was James. Anyway, out in Texas, and I got a few students out there. Well, many students out there in Texas, as a matter of fact. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray. I'm waiting for her to finish up. Man, it looks a lot better just with the vacuum, right? Yeah. organic test right there. You see how it's kind of already disappearing, just hitting it? Well, something organic. I'll have to true test this one when you extract, because I believe that's the same thing. Might be some, it could be something like soda or, I don't know. So basically, if the Green Rhino cocktail doesn't get it out, it is not an organic stain. Because we're going to go through there and pre-scrub everything. Sticker stuck in here. Pre-scrub everything. After. Okay? This is a full-on pet treatment, so I charge a certain fee for an all-over pet treatment. That means I boost everything. That's your Green Rhino cocktail. Now, if I was just doing per room and areas, and I would just go ahead and mix up a separate bottle, because I'm not using that much, and I don't want to waste, all that solution on, all that 3-4 gallons of pre-spray. So, all right. So, customer said he thinks this is rust. So I'm just gonna go ahead and treat that right here while she's vacuuming. Let that do its thing. It's just a rust remover local here. There's different brands, different types, and stuff like that. I usually use more of a liquid form. This is a gel form, but stuff works just fine. So a lot of stuff you can get locally if you're in a bind. Rust remover will work just fine. All right, and that right there, he said that was rust too, but I don't think so. Rubbing it on in with CRB. Just a multi-wash. Go around the head of her, because I needed her to get through this area so I could pull the hoses through, so we don't walk on each other. And then I'll pull my hoses out and start extracting. But the thing about this is, get that education in there, and most of the time it just erases the stain when you extract. So whatever those was, looks like it's gonna come out fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit some spots while I'm waiting. Pulling up some more pet hair. See, that's also what's good about these CRB machines. Pulls up more than the vacuum. As you can see, we just did the agitation and pre-spray, and the carpet looks already, somewhat clean. Right? You don't see any stains anymore. That living room is going to be the challenge, but so far so good. That's where the dark spots were right there, gone. Alright, as you can tell, most of those stains have disappeared already just by pre-spraying and scrubbing it. Now we're gonna go ahead and rinse everything out and see what the results look like. You can tell that the other moons came out looking beautiful. I got some pictures at the end of the video for you, so stay tuned. All right, there's many people that think that it couldn't be done. But look, besides the yellow staining, there's some stained artificial colors. I mean, it looks beautiful and it smells beautiful. So yeah, there was a heavy urine odor in here. So when you clean, things kind of steam up, especially if you're doing hot water extraction, and gets in the air. So you get something like this and do a little walk away. This stuff right here, we get it locally, man, and this stuff really eliminates odor like that. So walking out, helps out. Fan doesn't work, so else we put that on. But look, wow. So if you ever hear anybody out there in YouTube land or Facebook land and say, Tommy guy, Green Rhino guy, he don't know what he's doing, shh, direct them to this video. Yeah. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. If you liked it, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, and share, spread it to the world. Give me viral. We need to make some money off this stuff. I don't really. I do this, literally, guys, I've been doing this for like 4 years, 4 or 5 years, 5 years. I literally make like $400 a month from my YouTube channel. So if you think I'm rolling it in, because I got a YouTube channel with 12,000 subscribers, not true, guys. All right, guys, see you in the next one.